Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Here I am going to discuss a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. And this particular paper was set during the COVID period. There was a re-exam. In that, this particular question was set. So let us try to solve this. The question says a point mass M is moved in a vertical circle of radius small r with the help of a string. Let us see the situation. So suppose this is a point mass M which is tied with a string, and this is rotated along a vertical circle, okay, along vertical circular path, okay. The velocity of the mass is square root of 7gr at the lowest point. That means the speed at this particular position is in this way, and this is suppose v, and this v is given as square root of 7gr. The tension in the string at the lowest point. So at this particular position, what will be the tension in the string? So how to find out that? We have to see how many forces are, or what are the forces acting on this particular mass, point mass over here at this lowest point. So at this lowest point, as you see, there is a speed given in the horizontal direction, okay. So there is a force in the upward direction through the string, that is the tension, which is acting as centripetal force for the object to undergo this circular motion, okay. And there is mass obviously acting like weight due to its mass, that is mg, which is acting in the downward direction. And another force will be experienced by this particular point mass while undergoing the circular motion, and that is the centrifugal force, that is actually fictitious or pseudo force also. So that centrifugal force, let us say that is Fc, centrifugal force, okay. So if we write down the equation of motion over here, we'll have mg plus centrifugal force plus equal to, that is equal to the tension in the string at this particular position, okay. No other downward force or upward force, okay. So this is the balanced equation of the forces over here, and from here we'll be able to find out the tension. So tension is equal to, see, this Fc is actually exactly equal to the centripetal force, that is m v square by r. R is the radius of this circular path, okay. And v is given at this particular position. V is given, what is that? That is square root of 7gr. So if we put that, we'll get here 7mg. Look this, I'll write, instead of writing this, I'll write this. So I'll get 7mg, and mg we know already. So what will be the tension then? Then this will be 7 mg plus mg, the weight acting in the downward direction. So the total tension which is acting on the string at this particular position is the 8 mg. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
Lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from class 6 to class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for class 6 to class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com